Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of VM Review. Last time we looked at Windows Neptune, and it was also kind of a hybrid of like VM Review and VM Upgrade VM because that was the only way to install it, and it was upgrading, so it's in both series, VM Review and VM Upgrade. And also, I'm thinking about changing the name of VM Review. What do you think? Because I don't really review VMs. I just like install them. So maybe I should just call it VM installation. What do you think? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So now we will begin creating. We're gonna go to ISOs. And yeah, today we're doing Windows 7. This operating system will use easy install. So we need the product key. Alright. Paste. Here's the product key. I don't know if it's gonna work, but always, something always works. Now the website that I got the product key from doesn't specify which version I should use, whether it's Home Basic, Home Premium, Professional, or Ultimate. So I'm gonna install Home Basic, uh, TOWF. I'm just gonna name it Windows 7, and I'm also gonna think about connecting this one to the internet. Maybe there'll be a separate video. 60 gigs, and a power on the virtual machine after the creation. Now I'm just gonna create the disk. Yep, we're doing it. Mitigations. Yeah, I know what these are. It's basically just makes the computer run slow. Uh-huh. However, you can only turn mitigations off in the pro version. I have no idea why you can't turn mitigations off in the player version. Okay, I'm broke. I have no money. I can't afford the pro version because it's $200 fucking. Okay, I don't have that much money. Do not show this in again. Like, I tried to install Windows Longhorn today too, and it also used mitigation, so I have no idea what it is about Windows VMware today, and mitigations. I don't know. Maybe it just loves mitigations today. It enhances security, but also it also just makes the computer run slower. Well, I don't need security, so I guess it's just gonna run slower for nothing. But hey, it's running a lot better than Windows Longhorn. I'll say that. Oh, it has a classic cursor. It had the classic cursor for a second, and then it switched to the arrow. Setup is starting. Operating system. Nothing. Windows 7. Yeah, I'll do that. So it's gonna copy the files, and it's gonna expand, install features, install updates, complete installation. So it's copying files. Oh, now it's expanding them. I love how the copying Windows files just went from 0 to 100 right away. So intuitive. But expanding Windows files is where the trouble comes in. So catch back when this is done. All right. So now it's gonna complete the installation. We're gonna restart. Starting Windows. Yes. Here we are. Look at that nice, shining, bright Windows logo. That's how you know it's going to be a good time with Windows 7. Setup is updating registry settings. Okay. Setup is starting services. Now it's just going to complete the installation. I'm going to catch it back when this is done. Ooh. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. Alright, it's booting up again. There we go. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. I like the little thingy at the bottom. Reminds me a lot of Siri. Oh, there it is. Windows 7 Home Premium, preparing your desktop. But I thought I entered like Home Basic. I guess I installed Home Premium instead. Preparing your desktop. Preparing the desktop, guys. Preparing. It's loading up. Loading up something good. Oh, and it has sound too. Like, look at this. Oh, but search for the home network. Share with other home computers running Windows 7. Okay. I don't really need it because there's no others, so. But can we, like, connect to the internet? Let's see if we can go to, like. Okay. Window. We're gonna go to wikipedia.org. What? No, didn't ask for Microsoft. Go away. Wikipedia. Bing.com. Waiting for Bing.com. Set up Internet Explorer 11. Uh, yeah, we're gonna do that. The Wikipedia, free multilingual. Oh, download Microsoft Edge. All right, Wikipedia, the free multilingual encyclopedia. Yeah, I'm just gonna see if the internet works, or or I'm gonna have to connect it to the internet. which is going to be painful. But you know, if you remember, if you're a long time That One Windows fan, then you remember my Nanami Madobi disk video. Yeah, I had my Windows 7 VM connected to the internet, so I could actually record it. Oh, it was a problem connecting securely. What do you mean? When Wikipedia is secure? Yeah. Anyways, bye everyone. See you later. And I'm gonna have to make connecting to the internet in Windows 7 a different video. Goodbye.